Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We've compiled the articles, the research papers, and all the notes, and we are diving deep into what is, well, maybe the most transformative AI breakthrough of the last few years. We're talking about the democratization of high-resolution image generation.
Yeah.
I mean, if you've spent any time online recently, you have definitely seen them. These hyper-realistic, sometimes just completely fantastical images being generated by AI.
Oh, absolutely.
We are talking true state-of-the-art results, and the engine behind, almost all of this visual magic is something called the diffusion model, or DM.
DMs are just phenomenal generative tools. The way they work is they gradually add noise to an image, and then they train a neural network to do the reverse, to denoise it back to a clean original.
Right.
They really define the state-of-the-art in things like class-conditional image synthesis, even super resolution.
The quality is it's undeniable. But the price tag, that's the problem.
That's the huge problem.
And our mission for this deep dive, which is really rooted in a foundational CVPR 2022 paper, is to find out how researchers basically solved this enormous computational crisis. The challenge was this. Diffusion models were spectacular, but they were also, prohibitively expensive to run and train.
Exactly. And when we say prohibitive, we mean that training just one of these powerful pixel-based DMs demands an an unfathomable amount of resource.
Unfathomable how?
The sources cite examples ranging from 150 up to 1,000 V100 GPU days.
Wow.
And to put that in perspective for you, the V100 is an industry-standard, very high-end, specialized chip. We're talking about continuous use of hundreds of these for months.
And the problem isn't just the training, right? It's also the time it takes to actually generate the image once the training is done.
The inference, yeah.
The inference.
That's right. Inference is slow because DMs work sequentially, step by step, denoising the image. So generating just 50,000 samples, which you often need for proper evaluation and research, that could easily take 5 full days on a single very powerful A100 GPU. This immense computational drain in both training and sampling, that was the primary bottleneck.
And that's exactly why the introduction of Latent Diffusion Models, or LDMs, is so important. The whole mission was to radically reduce that complexity for training and sampling without losing that incredible visual quality.
It's all about making this technology accessible to a wider community.
Okay, so let's unpack this. Before we can get to the solution, we have to understand why the standard pixel-based DMs were so inefficient to begin with.
Right.
Why does generating a detailed picture of, say, a tiny texture require such extreme hardware?
It really it boils down to their operational space. They work directly in the high-dimensional RGB pixel space.
So every single pixel.
Every single one of those millions of red, green, and blue